Hello students, welcome you all in my channel Biology Square. Myself Dr. Preeti Srivastav, PGT Biology, JNV, Godda. I am also beloved bioman of students of JNV Giridi and JNV Hansdina. Dear students, this is lockdown period, but learning should be up. And as per the commitment, I am here today for class 12th students. I have an action plan for the entire academic year, what you have to study during the session. In class 11, you have studied different branches of biology like taxonomy, morphology, anatomy, histology, biochemistry, cell biology, as well as physiology. In class 12th, you have to go for different studies in biology like reproduction, that is under physiology, and there are actually 5 units in class 12. Let us see one by one. In class 12, the first unit is unit 6. 5 unit you have studied in class 11th, and unit 6 will be in class 12th as first unit, and it is reproduction, a very vital unit, and you will see 4 chapters in this reproduction unit. Chapter 1 will deal with the reproduction in organisms. Chapter 2 will deal with the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Chapter 3 will deal with the human reproduction, and chapter 4 will deal with the reproductive health. Dear students, this unit is diagram based unit. So please have practice for diagram also in this lockdown period. It will help you in future also. And never forget one thing. In our culture, there is a precious line, Pitri Deva Bhyo Bhava. Ancestors are our God. And in biology also, there are eminent scientists which you have studied in different units. In first unit, there is description about Indian scientist Dr. Panchanan Maheshwari, a very distinguished personality of India, or you can say of entire world. Panchanan Maheshwari, he was actually fascinated by an American missionary teacher, and his teacher told that he will be satisfied if any of his fellow or his students will proceed or will go ahead with him. And Mr. Panchanan Maheshwari had proved it. He had worked on the culture of immature embryo in the test tube, and in the test tube also he had cultured different kinds of fertilization in plants as well as intra ovarian pollination, and this leads a very special phenomenon in biology that is called as tissue culture. So Dr. Panchanan Maheshwari had contributed a lot in the field of biology. Dear students, there is another unit, unit 7, and it will deal with genetics and evolution. Genetics and evolution unit will have 3 chapters. The first chapter is Principles of Inheritance and Variation. This chapter will deal with the Mendelian inheritance. Gregor John Mendel, as you have studied in class 12 also regarding his experiment on pea plant, and in detail further you will see in this chapter, that is Principle of Inheritance and Variation. The another chapter will deal with the molecular basis of inheritance, and this molecular basis of inheritance you will get an idea about DNA, RNA, and a very important phenomenon in every living organism, that is called as central dogma. And the last chapter will deal with the evolution, that is origin of new species. Dear students, in this unit you will see the description about two scientists, James Watson as well as Francis Crick. J.D. Watson was zoologist. He was a bird watcher, but later on he developed his interest in the field of genetics and he studied the structure of DNA. Francis Crick was a physicist and he has worked on X-ray diffraction phenomenon in the field of physics. Later on, both met during their course of study and both share their similar interest, common interest regarding the structure of DNA. Therefore, they have proposed a double helical model of DNA on the basis of X-ray diffraction data given by Maurice Wilkins as well as Rosalind Franklin in 1953, and all the four scientists got Nobel Prize in 1962. So this is very vital chapter and you will have an idea about the living thing having based on the molecules. Now the another unit is unit 8, and unit 8 will deal with the biology in human welfare. As I told you, dear students, this is the lockdown period. There are no resources with you also. Some of the students may not have textbook too. So there is no need to go anywhere. I am here to tell you what you have to study. I will tell you different concepts of biology. I am also in the lockdown period, only this paper and myself for you. So this is the unit. Unit 8 will deal with the biology in human welfare. And this chapter, this contains 3 chapters. Chapter 8 will deal with the human health and diseases, a very precious chapter for us. And chapter 9 will deal with the strategies for the enhancement of food production. In this chapter you will learn about different scopes of plant breeding, as well as the 10th chapter is microbes in human welfare. We all afraid as we hear the name of microorganism, but in this chapter you will learn that microorganisms are also very precious for us. They also play very positive role in our lives. Dear students, in this unit you will get information about M.S. Swaminathan, a very pioneer Indian scientist, and he actually initiated the collaboration with Dr. Norman E. Borlaug, who is known as father of Green Revolution. And M.S. Swaminathan is also known as father of Green Revolution in India. He developed collaboration with Borlaug and introduced Mexican variety of wheat in India. He also produced short duration high yielding variety of rice including basmati rice, very scented basmati rice of India. Dear students, he also initiated lab to land, food security and so many programs for environmental issues. M.S. Swaminathan got Padma Bhushan award and so many prestigious awards for his contribution. And now we all are suffering from COVID-19, and during these days we have also hearing about the name of the eminent scientist, the chief scientist of WHO, Soumya Swaminathan. Dr. Soumya Swaminathan is daughter of such eminent scientist M.S. Swaminathan, and she is telling that only lockdown is not the remedy of COVID-19, but health measures should also be taken. So please stay at home, please be safe, keep your hand washing with the soap and use mask. Always maintain at least 1 meter distance with another person. So please keep yourself safe and also light the lamp of learning in the society members also. Dear students, now we will move towards the next unit, that is unit 9, biotechnology, and this biotechnology is having 2 chapters. One chapter is its principles and processes, and another chapter is biotechnology and its application. Biotechnology is the demand of present era also. Dear student, in this chapter you will see the contribution of Herbert Boyer. He is also very precious scientist. He discovered the restriction enzyme while studying Escherichia coli. He studied on Escherichia coli and worked on restriction enzyme. You may call it in short form as RE. RE means to cut. So this restriction enzyme acts as molecular scissor and it cuts the chemical compound also. This molecular scissor is very important in our living system, and his discovery fascinated another scientist of Stanford known as Stanley Cohen. Stanley Cohen was working on the ringlet of DNA. He also discovered the phenomenon of transferring this ringlet of DNA known as plasmid from one bacterium to another bacterium. So with the collaboration of Herbert Boyer, they used the cut of DNA segment and make the recombinant of DNA segment by inserting the desirable DNA. So this chapter, this work is breakthrough in the field of biology and was the basis of biotechnology. Dear students, one more thing I want to share you. Now we all are suffering from COVID-19, and this is actually the result of misuse of biotechnology. You will know it earlier, you will know it later on also, and different sources also explain about it. But we should have some moral values, and always we should use this biotechnology in the positive sense for the service of the world, to the service of the mankind. Dear student, last but not least, the another unit is ecology. And this ecology is having 4 chapters. Chapter 13 will deal with organism and population. Chapter 14 will deal with ecosystem. Chapter 15 will deal with biodiversity and conservation. And chapter 16 will deal with the environmental issue. Biology is not only meant for the structure of the organism. Here we will see the interaction between living and non-living thing. Dear students, in this unit you will have information about the pioneer Indian scientist Dr. Ramdev Mishra. He is also known as father of ecology in India, and he also established study and researches in the field of botany in botany department of Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. He also made his contribution related to various environmental response of plant population, plant biodiversity, as well as nutrient cycling and so on. He also has been awarded with very prestigious Sanjay Gandhi Award for environmental and ecology. He paved the way for the establishment of Ministry of Environment and Forest in India. So these are contribution of our great scientists, and these are various units. There are 5 units which you have to study throughout the year. One is reproduction, another is genetics and evolution, microbes in the human welfare, biotechnology, as well as ecology. And I hope this is enough for the day. Please have such chapters in your concept. We will meet in next meeting, in next video. Till then, please like and subscribe my channel, that is Biology Squad, and it is only and only for you all students. Thank you and blessings to you all.